In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Constant Contact. Buttons are one of the simplest ways to guide your readers to take action, whether that's visiting a page, RSVPing, or making a purchase. So let's set one up cleanly and confidently. Start by opening your email campaign. From your Constant Contact dashboard, select the campaign you want to edit and open it in the email editor. Give yourself a second to scan your layout so you know where a button will have the most impact. A good rule of thumb is to place it near a key message or offer so readers don't have to hunt for what to do next. Next, drag the button block into your layout. In the editor's content panel, look for the button element and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. You'll see a placement indicator to help you line things up. Think about hierarchy here. Placing a primary button high on the page can boost engagement, and adding a little space around it helps it stand out. Click the button to edit the text. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented. Phrases like shop now, register, or get the guide work well because they tell readers what happens when they click. Avoid vague labels and keep punctuation minimal. The goal is instant clarity. If you're highlighting an offer, reflect that in the copy so the value is unmistakable. Add your link by pasting the full URL into the link field. Make sure it includes the proper HTTPS prefix and points to a live, relevant page. If you're sending people to a landing page or a form, confirm the page loads quickly and matches the promise in your button text. Accurate links reduce confusion and improve your click-through rate. Now customize the design and save. Adjust the color to match your brand and choose a hue that contrasts well with your background for strong readability. Tweak the size and padding so the button is easy to tap on mobile devices, and set the alignment to match the surrounding content. Rounded corners can add a friendly look, while sharper edges feel more direct. Choose what fits your style. Make sure the font is legible and consistent with the rest of your email. When it looks right and reads clearly, save your changes to lock everything in. That's all it takes. Open your campaign, drag in a button block, write clear button text, add a solid link, then fine-tune the design and save. With a well-placed, well-labeled button, you'll guide your audience exactly where you want them to go.